GENTREE is from South Korea, produced and manufactured in South Korea. The South Koreans came in for the show, and I got to use a 22 amp V-mount battery that powered my LILIPUT monitor for the whole show. They are government drop tested, and we did an interview with them. So,
Hey, my name is Heesung, Kamera Tools. I'm the distribution channel in the USA, and I'm representing GENTREE Battery companies. I'm so exciting, day 2 NAB, and they're gonna introduce themselves. They are from South Korea, GENTREE company.
Hi, Kang Yoon, CEO.
Hi, I am Chonghyun Yoon, Chief Engineer.
Hi guys, I'm Seun. I'm Technical Sales Manager from GENTREE.
Okay, today we're gonna showcase our new product. We just released Penta 1200, which is a 48 volt power distributor for the high power LED light. So we are here in NAB 2023, and we're gonna we released a new product which is Penta 1200. This is portable on location battery running power solution for 48 volt LED light. So let me explain about the Penta 1200. This is 48 volt and 28 amps. It's running by 4 battery. It's regular V-mount batteries, and on top of it, the draw power is like 1344 watt maximum, 1248 is minimum. So running off 4 V-mount batteries. So let me talk about our Monster batteries. Our Monster battery is 390 watt hour, 26 amps, 12 volt. So you can calculate like volt and amps and watt. So all 4 batteries is over 1200 watt and around 1600 watt hour. So that way we can run on Aputure 1200 line and then EVOKE 1200 line because they have a 1200 watt, but this guy is about like 13 or 1400. Even we can have Aputure 1200D out of our kit, 1 Penta, 4 Monster kits. And then we have a Monster kit. Yeah, this is a Monster kit. So we put the component is 1 charger and 1 Penta 1200, which is a power distributor, and then 4 batteries, and then all cables there. So this is a Monster kit for like a running situation. This is perfect, the portable, the project. So let me talk about the running time. You guys really wondering how long it's gonna take. So out of 4 V-mount batteries, Aputure 1200, it's about like 15 minutes at 100% output. And then there, NANLITE EVOKE 1200 and 1200B, it's about like 1 hour, 10 minutes around there, out of 4 V-mount batteries. Can you imagine 4 V-mount battery, they running 1200 watt LED? And then here, we have a Felix Q10. This guy is about 900 watts. So we can calculate like out of 1600 watts hour, it's about 1 hour, 30 minutes. And we have the far left, we have a Cream Source Vortex 8. That one is about like 2 hour, 10 minutes. I'm talking about 100% output brightness. And then we can go like RE Sky Panel 60, RE Orbiter, those guys is a piece of cake. Like that one is like 400 watts. So it's like 2 hour, 30 minutes, 100% output. So but the beauty of our battery, this is a regular 12 volt battery. Being said, you can utilize this battery on any 12 volt equipment, like cameras, monitors, and light. So don't worry about it, like something happened on the set. If you use 26 volt, it's gonna ruin your device, your expensive inventory, right, investment. But this guy, no worry, 12 volt. But we push up the 26 amps instead of 26 volt. I know, I mean, you guys maybe don't know, but I know it's raising amp is more difficult technology, but we chose raising amps instead of raising volt for the sake of the customer, something bad thing happened on the set. Okay, I'm here with the NANLITE product. This is NANLITE EVOKE 1200B. And then they just released 900C, but we have a power solution for them. This is GENTREE Penta 1200 Monster Kit, along with the 4 B-mount batteries, running on 1200B. It's about like 1 hour. And then they just released 900C. It's about 1 hour, maybe 20, 15 minutes. There's some rust there.
A few moments later.
Yes, we have a couple GENTREE product line here. And you see it's very small, right? This is micro size. And we have a regular V mount and gold mount. And then we have a 12 amps and 15 amps and 22 amps. And definitely we have a 26 amps, which is monster battery for the Penta 1200 Monster Kit. So we have all line up. And even we have a gold mount, we have a V mount. And then we have a 2 charger. Here, cube dock, and the other cube. This is 4-channel, this is 2-channel. This is fastest charger, 6 amps. So, I mean, you can calculate, it's really, really fast. And then simultaneously charger. And then maybe there's one more, like a new product I heard from our the technical sales. 세훈, 우리 new product 하나 있지? 이거 뭐야? Yeah, 이겁니다. I'm sorry, speaking Korean. Yeah, this is B as boy. Look at this. This is for RE user, RE35. This is a B mount. In the last production, we are doing like R&D in the last step. So it'll be released very soon. I'm so excited about this. And then, as I mentioned earlier, our battery has three main key features. Like most of company doesn't have. First, we got certified by US mil spec like compliant. So let me show you the drop test here. Seon, please. And then show the blue light if still working. Okay. Blue light means working normal. And then the next key feature, as I mentioned, short-out proof. We have an MCU, microcontroller unit, on the board. So they detect the high power. They cut the power before high power going outside in your expensive like product, camera, monitor, light. So you can save your investment. So let me show you the drop from here. Our CEO and our chief engineer, they're gonna helping out how to short out. I'm gonna intentionally short out, and let's see. This is blue light, right? Blue light now is working normal, okay? All right, let me see. 하세요. 꽂으세요. 꽂으세요. 천천히요. Let's do it. Wow, gosh. Are you okay? Okay. Take it out, and then you don't need to like call like hey, what do I do? You don't need to panic, right? Just push the button and hold 5 seconds. You don't need to send me RMA anything. You can solve on your end. Okay, and then let me see. Blue light back. So can we just test on the Penta 1200? This is a battery we just short out, right? Let's see how the light works. Okay, let's do it. All right, and push the button. And push the button. Look at the light. All right, so and then the last one, the key feature, one of 3 main key feature is lowest impedance. We don't have a cable cable in the PCB board, like a wireless internal design. Let me show the inside of the battery here. So this is our battery design. It's totally different. Like we using like each individual the cell grip. We don't use like a glue and tape. So and then using this grip, there's like layers, and there's a small space between layers. We intentionally put this space because that way it's like cooling a lot easier and faster. So, and on top of it, if they stick together using glue and tape, when you drop it, then it's gonna like a skin, right? They contact each other, skin peeling off and then leaking out, it's gonna short out. But we're using cell grip and we don't wanna like cells like contact each other. And then you see cable? No cables. No cable design. This is the electric device. I mean, electric device, they need a cable transmitting plus minus. But you know what? The nickel plate, you guys know, nickel plate also transmit like plus minus. That's why we removed cable. No cable means low impedance. Low impedance means high performance. So this is like a battery. Okay, let me give some example. Like we discharging our battery and with other competitor batteries using like Aputure 300 did. After 1 hour, 30 minutes, fully discharging, we check the temperature using flow gun. Our is about like 60, 65, and the other brand is about 80, 85. Like 20 degree is huge. It's like a summer and winter, right? So, and then there is so low cable design, low impedance, high performance. Okay. Thank you for visiting our booth, GENTREE booth at NAB 2023. And if you have any questions, I'm here, Heesung, Kamera Tools, distribution channels representing GENTREE, and contact me anytime. And then here, thank you so much coming to NAB 2023 from GENTREE. I'm honored to have you guys here. And then hopefully the 한국 사람들 많이 봐주기 바랍니다. Thank you for, hopefully the Korean people watch this video, and then this is amazing like product.
오늘 방문해서 정말 감사하고 저희는 이제 모든 제품 한국에서 개발, 생산, 제조하고 있기 때문에 저희 제품을 믿고 구매하셔도 됩니다. 그리고 저희는 지속적으로 새로운 제품을 개발하고 있기 때문에 많은 관심 앞으로 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다. 네. 월터의 작업물이 마음에 드셨다면 꼭 구독과 좋아요 한번 눌러주시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
Thank you. I know the Korean. I know the Korean market.
Don't blame.
Oh, look at
Don't blame.
everybody's happy.
I tried.
That's good.